To draw the mystery cube, we first have to draw a cube and then draw inside parallel to the sides in different color and draw the circles and draw the question mark. You see that there are parallel lines on the sides, and you can color the top and the sides, the edges, and you can see the colors a little different. It looks very different, but when you're done, it'll look like shadow. And then I'm coloring in little parts. And the inside, the shadows that are driven from the question mark. And the inside, the gray color, which should be shadowed that way. Maybe it was white. And then, okay, so I got rid of the background so we can see the parts that are not painted yet. And I'm coloring the sides, the edges, in different colors. You can see it's a little different color. So it looks more 3D. And the other side as well. So there are many sides in this cube because of the question mark, and you have to focus on that. Pay attention to the colors. Okay, let's color in everything else, then we are done. Thank you for watching.